Hello friends, welcome to Nityaves Academy, and today we are going to discuss one of the most important poet of postmodern English literature, British literature, and that is Samuel Beckett. Samuel Beckett was born in 1906 and he died in 1989. He was an Irish playwright, short story writer, theatre director, poet, literary translator. He wrote most of his works in French and English. He won Nobel Prize in Literature in 1969. In this video, we are going to discuss Samuel Beckett, some of the important works which have appeared in previous year questions of UGC NET. And in the last of the video, we will discuss some of the previous year questions from the Samuel Beckett that are asked in the UGC NET exam. So let's start. In the early works of Samuel Beckett is the short story collection that is More Pricks Than Kicks. It was written in 1934, and in the midterm of his literary works, he has written some of the novels that are important and we are going to discuss them. The first novel which is important, that is the Murphy, Murphy, Murphy. It was written in 1938. It was published also in 1938. This novel talks about chess because Samuel Beckett was so much interested in the game of chess, and this novel is basically based on the game of chess. The next work is What? 1953. It was second published novel in English. It was largely written in the France during World War II, and it is narrated in 4 parts. The novel describes Watt's journey to and within Mr. Nott's house, where he became the owner's manservant. Here in this novel, the person Watt is the main character, and this story is mainly revolving around the environment of World War II time. After that, the next important work is Molly. It was written in 1951. Molly is the main character, and the second main character is the Moran, and he is a private detective in this novel. Also, this novel, Molly, is one of the first novel of Beckett's trilogy. After that, the fourth important work is Malone Dies. It was written in 1951. It contains the famous line which is nothing is more real than nothing. And this line is very important. We have to keep it in mind. It can be asked in the any UGC NET exam. And in this novel, Malone is an old man who admitted that he has killed 6 men. And Macman, whose nickname is Sapo, is another character. And after that, Lemuel is a male nurse who is taking care of Macman in this novel. It is one of the important novel of Samuel Beckett, and it is one of the part of Beckett's trilogy. After that, the next important work is The Unnameable. Unnameable novel was written in 1953. It is a disjoint monologue, and there is no concrete plot or setting in this novel. And this novel, Unnameable, is the third novel of Beckett's trilogy. It means the Beckett trilogy have 3 novels, that is Molly, Malone Dies, and Unnameable, which were written between the time period of 1949 to 1953. After that, the next important work, that is Endgame, and it is also very important work because a question have asked from this novel of Samuel Beckett, and we will discuss this later in the last part of this video. Endgame was written in 1957. It is a one-act play with 4 characters, and these 4 characters were Ham, the second is the Claw, which is the servant, and the third one is the Nag, he is an old man, and the fourth is the Neil, a old woman, and it is a tragic comedy, and Ham is the son of Nag and Neil. And in this novel, all these 4 characters have some physical disparities, like Ham is unable to sit down and Ham is unable to stand, and the Claw is unable to sit, and Nag and Neil are the handicapped persons who don't have the leg. Actually, they have lost their legs in a bicycle accident, and that's why Nag and Neil are living in a dustbin. It is a small one-act play, and it's very important from the exam point of view. After that, one important fact about it is that when this play was played on the stage, Harold Pinter played role in it, And this question was asked in June 2006 question paper, that in which game Harold Pinter, in which play Harold Pinter has played a role. And the answer was Endgame. And after that, the next important work is Crab's Last Step. Crab's Last Step. It is a one-act play with a cast of one man. It was written from Irish actor Patrick Magee and first titled Magee Monologue. It is considered to be among Beckett's major dramas. And question have appeared in the exam from this work. And this is the play of Samuel Beckett, which in that a single character is talking to himself, because also it is a one act play and one man is casting the roles. The next important work is It Is Happy Days. It is play in the two acts, and the two characters in this play is Winnie. Winnie is a woman of around 50 years old, and she is a very optimistic character in this novel. And the second character is the Willie, and he is a man of around 60 years age. It's also a very inspiring and optimistic play. After that, the most famous work of Samuel Beckett that we are going to discuss, that is Waiting for Godot. Waiting for Godot. It was written in 1953, and it is a tragic comedy, and it was the most famous work of Samuel Beckett. In this work, Waiting for Godot, there are four or five main characters. That is, the first is Vladimir, the second is Estragon, third Pojo, fourth Lucky, and the fifth a character a boy. In this play, Vladimir and Estragon, that is also nicknamed as Gogo, wait for the arrival of someone named Godot who never arrives. While waiting, they engaged in a variety of discussions and encounters three other characters. So these were the important works of Samuel Beckett. Now we are going to discuss some of the important questions, some of the questions that have appeared in the UGC NET exam previously. The first question that have appeared is Samuel Beckett wrote. The options are Endgame, Volpone, Mother's Courage, or A Doll's House. Now you can also answer it easily that the Samuel Beckett wrote the play novel Endgame. After that, the second question which have appeared in the exam is which of the following plays is characterized by the exclusively of a single character talking to himself? And the options are A Streetcar Named Desire, second Kiosk, third The Misanthrope, and the fourth Crab's Last Step. And the right option is the fourth Crab's Last Step, because in that only one person is casting the play. After that, the next question which have appeared in the exam, that is in Beckett's Waiting for Godot, the characters often use dislocated, repetitious, and clinched speech primarily to. The options are illustrate the essentially illogical, purposeless nature of human condition, and the second option is recreate the working of the subconscious, third mock the exaggerated dignity and wisdom of the modern self-processed intellectuals, and the fourth is reinforce the comic action of farcical plots. And the right option is the first, illustrate the essentially illogical, purposeless nature of human condition. So that's it for this audio lecture. We will meet soon with a new topic that will be important from our UGC NET exam point of view. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.